Today I'm going to show you my winter sowed jugs. It is April 26th. Some of the results are good and some are looking not too good. So let's go see what's going on. Okay, here we have some red Russian kale. I did use Terra Preta in this one. They're looking pretty good. Here's marigolds, French dwarf with Terra Preta. They're looking pretty good. Here is Denver carrots with Terra Preta. Those are looking super good. The one beside it is the same thing, not Terra Preta, and they are looking a lot smaller. Let's see, here's kale with Terra Preta. They're looking nice. Here's kale without Terra Preta. They are looking smaller. I don't know if that's because of Terra Preta or not. Okay, here's a Ponderosa tomato. Got the seeds from Ray, a little shop of seeds. They're looking good. Here's a marigold dwarf with Terra Preta. And this is Brussels sprouts. Seeds I got from Ray. This is jalapeno from my seeds. And then here's the one with Terra Preta. Same jalapeno from my seeds. It looks like only one of them sprouted for some reason. Okay, red Russian kale. Those are looking good. Ethiopian kale. Here is a Terra Preta with Annie's Marvel lettuce. One of them grew really well. There's another one there that's a little smaller. And then this jug is the same thing, no Terra Preta. I only have one sprout in that one, and it's fairly small. So I don't know, Terra Preta, not Terra Preta, but didn't sprout or grow very well in either of those, so I couldn't say for sure that the Terra Preta did anything. All right, let's look at alpine strawberries. Anyone know if these are alpine strawberries? They look really spindly, whatever they are. And I think the red things there are seeds that haven't sprouted. So I don't know if anything's gonna sprout from them or not. I've never tried to grow strawberries before from seed. Subarctic tomato with Terra Preta. I believe that is one down there on the bottom right. Banana peppers that I got from Ray, seed from Ray with Terra Preta. That almost looks like one of the things that's growing in the alpine strawberries. It looks like it might be grass or something. Okay, and then here is Ace tomato that I got the seeds from Ray with Terra Preta. That thing straight there, that big thing is not a tomato, but the other ones are. Okay, here's pepperoncinis that I got from seeds from Baker Creek. There's a couple of those growing. Probably hasn't been quite warm enough for peppers yet. Okay, here we got something that I didn't label, so I'm not sure if these tomatoes are volunteers from my compost or not. I'm not sure what those are. Okay, here we go. Fairy Morse Granix onions. I just planted these not too long ago, so they are still just starting to sprout. I got those started way too late. Jolly Jensen marigolds did not come up. They might still, because I didn't plant those very long ago either. Here's some China Jade cucumbers that I got from Annie's seeds. They are sprouted. Here's some Jolly hybrid cucumber that I got, from Johnny's. They're looking good. Here's a slow bowl cilantro that nothing's come up yet, but I did plant those recently. They might still have time to come up. Chamomile, nothing came up. Those might be very old seeds. There's something green there, I'm not sure what that is. Basil, that came up really, really well. Looks like I put way too many seeds in there. Some lemongrass. I'm not sure if that's a lemongrass. One sprout. Oh, there's two things in there. I'll have to wait and see on that. So I do need to plant some of those cold weather crops like the kales and lettuces and carrots Need to put them in the garden as soon as I can. But the tomatoes and peppers I might let grow in the jugs longer because it's still cold here. It's colder than normal. It's like in the 40s still at night. So I do have some tomatoes out, and I think we're beyond the frost date. Well, I know we're beyond the average last frost date, but it's still being cold at night. So let me know how your winter sowed jugs are doing.